Did you know she said she was 18 when I met her? Did you know that?
No, you probably told her she was 18. She's probably like, I'm 15. You was like, no, you ain't no 15. You at least 18. And then she like, no, I'm 15. Like, no. No, you 18 and a half.
Number one, when did you receive this letter?
I received this multiple letters actually over a period of time. It wasn't. I referred to this one because this one had the picture. But
and why do you believe it was from Ms. Patterson?
To answer your question with clarity.
Thank you. Does it have a date on it, the letter?
No, I didn't bring the letter. I brought the pictures because I thought from my interpretation, I thought showing the pictures would be okay. How did I get these? So my mind was saying, show the pictures. They didn't come out of thin air. The witness knows that they sent me the pictures. They know that.
Well, again, it assumes facts that aren't here. You're assuming this witness sent it. I don't know. But even if she did, what relevance does it have to her credibility before this jury?
It goes to the credibility because she's put on this facade of being so afraid of someone, but yet still, you know that we're not supposed to have contact, but you still sneaking behind and saying, oh, I wonder how you're doing, and oh, this and this and that.
I don't think she's ever said she was afraid. I think that was the officers who may have stated that, but I don't believe she ever said that. She specifically said today when you asked her why did you, it was either why did you go back or why did you have, I'll look at my notes, and she said, I don't know.
It was why weren't you forthright with all the details? That was the question.
So again, I'm going to ask you, even if this letter's from her, these pictures are from her, how does it relate to her credibility before the jury?
Who else could these pictures be from?
I'm going to ask you point blank. Did you get a letter that's signed from her?
I got them. What do you mean signed?
How do you know? Letters. What's your belief? Why do you have a belief that they are from her?
I have multiple letters from her.
You're not answering my question. Why do you believe the letters are from Erica Patterson?
Because they were sent from Erica Patterson. Why else would I?
Were they signed by her?
What do you mean signed?
Did she write her name on the letter? Was it the content of the letter? No, I'm not kidding you. I need the records. You're making a statement that these letters are from her and that they're relevant to her credibility.
Your Honor, I'm going to go out on the limb here.
And I'm asking you why you hold that opinion.
I'm going to go out on the limb here and assume, which I know is true, you've never been in my position. You've never been in jail. So you've never received a letter from someone writing someone in jail. No one is going to, when you say to me,
what's the basis why you believe they're from Miss Patterson?
Oh my God.
Is there some information in them that only she would know? Did she sign the letters? Is it penmanship that you recognize? Why do you believe they're from her?
Cause he crazy, Judge. He crazy. Judge, look at me. He crazy, girl. He crazy. He cray. Okay? He big crazy. I know he little man, but he big crazy.
As opposed to somebody else sending you information. Could be your mom, could be, I'm just saying, could be anybody else. You gotta answer my question. It's called an offer of proof.
But you still gotta understand why this is mind-boggling.
Is it mind-boggling? Hey, Daryl, is your mind boggled or no? I'm guessing no. I know, right? Sirloin said this was amazing that he thought there was absolutely no way those pictures came from anybody but Erica, gaslighting con artist, and he sucks at it. I know. Like, why would he? Like, anybody could have literally. You could be in here saying that I sent them. He could come in there and say, "You sent me these, Judge." Why would anybody else send them? Of course it was you. Oh my gosh. He's such a douche. The most douchey.
To me. Like, how I got a child with this woman. Why would I not know her handwriting?
But you have to lay a foundation for these letters, sir. That might be through your own testimony. So that I'm trying to figure out why you believe they're from her. Not all this other stuff about I'm in
serious?
jail and I have a child. I'm trying to I need to know. It's called an offer of proof.
Are you serious?
What do you believe?
Hey,
Why do
Alex.
you believe they're from her? I am serious. And
Because they're from her.
Oh my God, Daryl. Ain't nobody just gonna believe you. You be lying all the time.
But you're assuming.
Like how else am I supposed to answer that?
I've given you a few reasons why it would lend to that opinion.
So it has to be put in a legal
The
term
bottom
or
line is
something?
I need the letter. So if you're gonna question her on that, the state absolutely has a right to see the letter. So you need to provide that letter. The bottom line is I'm not gonna allow any questioning without having that letter.
So
the
what
state
about-
has the ability to question you about that or question this witness and to look at the veracity of what your claims are here.
Yeah, the veracity, Daryl. Spell it.
So when
Hey,
I
Squinting
may
Cat.
take an early lunch, if that's in your cell, then you can go get it and bring it. But without that letter, I'm not allowing this line of questioning. Do you have the letter with you in court?
I just said no. How many
Okay.
times I gotta say the same thing on record?
You know, sometimes, sir, I don't hear what you say because you interrupt me so much or you answer quietly. And I'm taking notes and I'm focused on probably a dozen things at the same time.
But if I say something under my breath, everybody seems to hear it. Everybody seems to hear
In
that
a
just
quiet
fine.
courtroom,
And
yes,
everybody
we can
assumes,
hear it very
and
clearly.
everybody assumes that it has to be disparaging. Or,
Once again, you're doing this tactic.
Because
you try to
it's not a
go
tactic,
off
it's
of what
facts.
We're talking
It's facts.
about to some other reason.
It's facts.
to
Because
some
I
other
find it
thing.
hard to believe that
I'm gonna
all
let
of
the
a sudden
state.
nobody hears what I say.
I'm gonna let the
Come on,
state
man,
make
stop.
a record of why they
Stop.
believe it's objectionable because I haven't let them do that. I've given you multiple opportunities to tell me why you
So
believe it.
I didn't get these pictures from nobody else. Why was
The
somebody
record will
else
reflect you have 2 pictures that you believe were from this witness.
that I know is from
No, that you believe.
that I know?
All right, I'll ask the state their position
That I
on all
know.
of this.
My position, Your Honor, is that these pictures, first of all, should not be admissible. 1, because of a discovery violation. We've never seen them before. 2, because we have reason to believe that he did not get them from Erica Patterson. He is on a jail phone call talking to his mother, Dawn Woods,
Ooh.
about Dawn Woods sending these photographs to him.
Ooh.
That's a lie. I object
Let
to
the
that.
state make their argument without interruption, sir.
That's a lie, though.
You know that ain't no fucking lie, Daryl. Why would this man lie like that? That damn sure wasn't no lie. Sounded very much like the truth to me. You wish it was a lie, Daryl. That is so. Why would you think they wouldn't know that, Daryl? Of course they gonna know. Oh my God, Daryl's so dumb. Daryl's so extra dumb.
3, I believe that these photographs are designed to make a suggestion to the jury that Erica Patterson is a bad mom. I think that is what the defendant is trying to do. And if we're going to go down that road, then we would be forced to counter that claim. First of all, it doesn't make her an incredible witness, if it's even true. And second of all, if we go down that road, we would be forced to counter that claim by pointing out that not only does the defendant not live with the child in question, he doesn't live with any of the other children that he has. He impregnated Erica Patterson when she was a minor in Nevada. And for doing so, he was convicted of statutory sexual seduction.
Damn.
Pled guilty in March of 2007 to that felony offense and is a sex offender on the registry as a result. So if there's any causation that would lead to Erica Patterson being a bad mom, Mr. Brooks has a direct role in that causation.
And that's
Furthermore,
I object to that.
I'm not
because
done.
that's a lie.
Let him
Because at the end of the day,
Let
if
him
we
finish,
gonna open the door
Mr.
on that, no,
Brooks.
since he want to make a record and not be accurate, so let's be accurate on the record. Since you think you know so much,
Once
so
again,
we can
Mr.
open the
Brooks
door
is
on.
being
We can
loud,
open the door on how old she told me she was when we
interrupting.
met. We can ask that
He
question
is
too. Then
over the
Did you
top
ask that?
animated
Do you
right
know
now.
that?
Mr. Brooks, I'm ordering you to sit down and to let the state
no,
finish.
I'm not going to sit here and let somebody be inaccurate on the record and lie on the record.
Right. Under Illinois versus Allen,
What's so funny is that this is how immature he is. That he felt like him saying how old she told me she was when we met. Like how is that? How exactly is that supposed to help you? She told me she was 18, you know? Like when I seen her at that playground, we locked eyes. You know what I'm saying? She thought I was the bus driver. I was like, nah, baby. Nah, I'm just here for you, not the other kids. I'm just here for you, you know? I like to pick out one special tiny child, you know, to just, to marry. I'm a baby marrier. Well, I'll tell you I'm gonna marry you, but I'm not really gonna marry you, I just want to just mess you up for the rest of your life. That's my mission, my personal mission as a man, as a girl. you know.
I warned him repeatedly. He's being removed from the courtroom. And you know what? Let me dial that back. We're just going to take an early lunch, 1 hour. We'll be back. And unless he brings that letter and he can show it is inadmissible, she will not be questioned. And under 906.11, I will declare the cross-examination closed. Thank you. We're in recess, 1 hour.
That's so funny.
Get your facts straight. So let's open the door on all of it then, so we can get all of it on the record. Since you think you know so much, did you know she said she was 18 when I met her? Did you know that?
Oh my God. No, you probably told her she was 18. She's probably like, I'm 15. You were like, no, you ain't no 15. You at least 18. And she like, no, I'm 15. She's like, no. No, you 18 and a half. She's like, no, for real, I'm 14. We're like, no, wait, now you're going backwards. No, you are 19 years old. You're 19 years old. Now come with me. Come with me. Exactly how it happened. I know that's right, Krista. That's exactly what happened. I feel like I saw it on video. That's exactly what happened.